Welcome to our guide on the top portfolio website builders for creatives. Whether you're a designer, artist, or visual creator, having a professional online portfolio is essential in today's digital world. In this video, we'll be testing and reviewing over 12 different showcase platforms specifically designed for designers and artists. The good news: many of them offer completely free options to get you started. Let's explore the infinite creative possibilities available to you. Before we dive into specific platforms, let's understand what makes a portfolio website truly great. First, you need performance. Your website should load fast and offer smooth navigation so visitors stay engaged. Second, customization matters. Look for platforms with beautiful templates that also give you the freedom to make the design your own. Third, responsiveness is crucial. Your portfolio must look perfect on phones, tablets, and desktop computers alike. Finally, consider pricing. You want great value for your money with flexible plans that match your budget and needs. Portfolio platforms generally fall into three main categories. First, there are no-code builders that use simple drag-and-drop interfaces. These are perfect if you want quick setup without touching code. Second, there are code-based platforms that give you full control over your design. These require some technical knowledge but offer unlimited customization. Third, there are specialized platforms built specifically for creatives like photographers, illustrators, and designers. These focus entirely on visual work and often include features tailored to your needs. Let's start with Wix, an all-in-one platform with a drag-and-drop builder. Wix offers 500+ designer-made templates to choose from, giving you a great starting point. It's perfect if you want to sell digital products or prints alongside your portfolio through its built-in e-commerce features. The platform includes solid SEO optimization tools to help people find your work online. And like all modern platforms, your Wix portfolio will look perfect on every device, from phones to large desktop screens. Squarespace is known for its premium design aesthetic and is perfect for professionals who want their work to shine. The platform features award-winning templates with a minimalist approach that lets your creative work be the star. It has advanced image gallery layouts specifically designed for portfolios. Squarespace also offers a unique client proofing feature, allowing you to share your work and gather feedback directly from clients. The built-in analytics dashboard helps you understand who's visiting your portfolio and how they're engaging with your work. Adobe Portfolio stands out because it seamlessly integrates with your Creative Cloud subscription. If you're already using Adobe software like Photoshop or Illustrator, your work can sync directly from Behance, which is Adobe's creative community. You get professional showcase options that let you display your projects exactly the way you want. You can use a custom domain to establish your professional brand presence. And being an Adobe product means you get enterprise-grade security to protect your creative work. Webflow is perfect if you want professional-grade design with the power of code. It combines visual development with actual code, so whether you prefer designing visually or writing code, you can do it all. You can create dynamic animations and advanced interactions that make your portfolio truly stand out. Webflow includes CMS capabilities, so you can manage your content easily. Hosting is included with Webflow, and it comes with built-in performance optimization to ensure your portfolio loads incredibly fast. Cargo is a minimalist platform designed specifically for artists. The clean aesthetic gets out of the way and lets your visual work shine. It's perfect for photographers, painters, illustrators, and other visual creators. Cargo includes an email capture feature to help you build an audience of potential clients and followers. And here's the best part: Cargo offers very affordable pricing that's artist-friendly and budget-conscious, making it accessible to everyone. Portfoliobox is a free portfolio platform built for creatives. The best part? The free tier is completely free with no hidden costs. You get unlimited image uploads, so you can showcase your entire body of work without worrying about storage limits. You can use a custom domain to give your portfolio a professional appearance. The platform is heavily focused on gallery layouts, making it ideal for photographers, designers, and visual artists who want their images to be the centerpiece. Now let's compare these 6 platforms side by side. Wix offers excellent ease of use with high design freedom and full e-commerce support at $11 to $27 per month. Squarespace provides very good ease of use with premium design capabilities for $16 to $33 per month. Adobe Portfolio integrates with Creative Cloud for $20 monthly, but doesn't include e-commerce. Webflow offers moderate ease of use, but unlimited design freedom and e-commerce from $12 to $165 per month. Cargo is completely free with excellent ease of use, but limited design customization. Portfoliobox is also free with very good ease of use and good design options, but no e-commerce capabilities. Here are 6 key takeaways to remember. First, budget matters. Free platforms absolutely exist for getting started, so cost doesn't have to be a barrier. Second, you need to choose your priority between ease of use and design control. Third, all these platforms are mobile first and deliver fully responsive design. Fourth, there's a range of customization options from simple templates to complete code control. Fifth, integration options let you connect your portfolio to your existing tools and workflows. Finally, before committing to any platform, take advantage of free trials to test them first and find the one that's right for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.